Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Lac-des-Écorces is a peaceful and beautiful town located in Quebec's Laurentian region. This area is known for its stunning lakes, lush forests, and abundant outdoor activities, making it a paradise for nature lovers. Lac-des-Écorces itself is situated along several lakes, including Lac-des-Écorces and Grand Lac-Nomineng, both perfect for fishing, kayaking, and swimming. If you enjoy outdoor recreation, you'll love the hiking and biking trails here, especially the scenic Le Petit Train du Nord path that passes nearby. This old railway line has been transformed into a long cycling and walking trail, offering views of forests, rivers, and quaint villages all along the way. Winter here is just as lovely. The town's snowmobile and quad trails are popular, and you'll find covered ice skating rinks for a classic Canadian winter experience. If you're into cross-country skiing, the Laurentians offer some beautiful trails nearby, too. Lac-des-Écorces is a charming spot to experience the natural beauty of Quebec and get a taste of the region's history and local culture. Whether you're here to relax by the lake or explore the outdoors, this town has something special to offer everyone.
watching.